Hello everyone, welcome to the summer semester for college algebra. I just wanted to go over a few things about the course as well as introduce myself. My name is Aaron Yeager. I'll be the professor for the course. So everything's going to be kept on D2L. So to start everything in the course, you should go to, there's information under content. So go to read me first, second, and third, and then complete the orientation survey. So that what that is that's just going to allow me to fill out the attendance verification. And going through those three things, you'll see kind of how this course is set up. And once going through that, you'll see that it keeps mentioning Hawks. So that's where the homework and exams are going to be administered through. So to sign up for Hawks, you want to go to the content tab that says Hawks SSO. So at that point, you'll sign up for Hawks. It'll give you a free trial period. That will be the only purchase you need to make throughout the semester for Hawks. Within there, they have the book, so you only need to sign up for that. Let's see about Hawks. So I'll get into Hawks here in a minute, how it's going to work. But so make sure you sign up for that. That's how the homework's going to be done. And you'll see the other tabs over there where it has chapter 2, 3, and 4, and so on. So you won't need to go to Hawks to access the homework. You can access it straight through that D2L, those links in the D2L content tab. You just need to at first sign up through the SSO, and then after then you can go through the other links. You do not have to use that one every single time. So next, so you want to look at the syllabus for all the technical stuff, like how much the exams are weighted, how many they are, when the exams are, and everything else about the course. So all that information's there. Make sure you read all of that. And so in there, it's going to keep mentioning Hawks as well, so you'll know sort of what it is by reading all the previous stuff. So inside of Hawks, like the way it's going to work is you open up the homework system. There's a learn part, and then a practice part, and then the certify part. So the certify part is the actual, you're doing the homework. Then the learn part is where it will have you reading or watching some videos. So I've also put some videos right before the sections inside. When you click for chapter 2 content, you'll see a video for each one of the little lessons. So those videos are tailored exactly to what the homework is. So you can try to just watch those. I would say watch those first, and then go to practice, and then certify, so you could skip the learn part. But you can also use the learn part as a supplement as well. And as you're going through watching the videos, make sure to take some notes of what formulas are being used and anything else. And when you're going through it, and further, when you're going to the certify part, or even in the practice part, any of these parts, like Hawks is set up. If you have a question for me, you can click ask your professor, and then that will directly contact me. So, and then at that point, I can reply back if I'm sitting at my computer instantly, or it might take a little bit of time. The times will all be guaranteed sitting at my computer, like where I could reply instantly, would be Monday and Wednesday from 8 to 10. So, but I can reply any other time. It just might not be instantly or anything. And then if you want, I have everybody enrolled in a thing called office hours. You should see that on your D2L page. So what that is, that's a connection to Blackboard Collaborate. So that would be, it's sort of like a Skype type of thing, and you would just click on there, and I'll meet you on there, and then we would be like Skyping back and forth, and we could share like what we're seeing on the screen to help each other and understand like what exactly is the problem. And so just contact me. Like I won't be sitting on that for some time just waiting, but like email me, and like I'll meet you on there, and then so it's sort of like coming into an actual office hours or whatever. Another thing is there's an SI for the course, so student instructor. So it's Kaylin Taylor. So she sent everybody already an email to try and set up the best times for some tutoring kind of office hours type thing. So definitely please try to reply to her email so she can help the best she can, like help you the best that she can with like through this course as it goes. And there's other places listed for help in the syllabus, like for instance the attic, other things like that. But definitely she's going to be like following us through the course, so she'll know exactly where we're at, so the problems that might arise. So another thing is there'll be a review for each exam, and the first exam is next Monday, so that's a week from Monday here. And then and I'll send out the review by Thursday, and so you'll have it all set up and be able. So the review is going to be on Hawks, so it'll be just like a little supplement assignment to help you know what kind of problems you're about to be seeing when we get to this exam and all the other exams. So they're going to have they'll be set up with a lockdown browser and this thing called respondents, which you don't have to worry about like setting these up. Like it'll all be set up for you. You'll just have to click the button, say that you're agreeing to do it. So what the lockdown browser is doing is that's not allowing you to go to other websites while you're taking the exam. You'll just have to take the exam in one setting, but it'll be open for a whole day, and you'll just have to sit down for like whatever the time allotment is, and you can't leave, and you have to sit there and take the exam. So and not go to other websites for help. So that's what the lockdown browser is doing. The respond is what that's doing is that's going to actually film you taking the exam. So it's like a proctored exam. So given that situation, you like that when you're taking the exams, you have to take them on a computer or some setup that has a webcam involved. So there'll be something filming you while you're taking the exam, and there's more details on that in the syllabus. So make sure to read that part. But you have to take the exams with a computer that has a camera, so it can film you taking the exams. And the exams are going to look very similar to the review. So as long as you have the review mastered, you should be fine going into the exam. You can have like formula card, whatever. Like you can have formulas written down to help you. You don't have to memorize the formulas. And you can make the formulas off of the like either as you're going along and you've made them for each little section. You could have all those there and then condense it down once you have the review, so it'll be nice and fast. You won't be like trying to find a formula or anything. And so other stuff here is that I have written is just the only purchase is you're gonna have just purchase the subscription to Hawks. You don't have to buy a book. The book is free with the Hawks subscription. And let's see. So like I'll put in extra material when needed, and I'll send emails whenever I do to help with any of the with any questions or anything. And and that's pretty much everything that I had written here to like go over for the beginning of class. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me at my email address or through Hawks or anything. And I'm looking forward to this semester, and I hope everybody's staying safe and the family's staying safe. And contact me at any time throughout the semester and as soon as anything happens, like because the course is going to go fast. You're looking at approximately almost a chapter a week, like maybe a week and a half or something like that. So it's going to go pretty fast, and as long as you stay up with it, it will be fine. But it can easily get out of hand if not. But just let me know as soon as any troubles start happening, and I'll help you get through them, and Caitlin will help as well. And that's it. And I welcome everybody to the class, and I hope it's enjoyable and everybody stays safe. All right, thank you very much.